We understand that it's kind of difficult to find a good pre-cruise hotel that is close to the port, has transportation, and meets all of your needs, which is why we like to share the hotels that we book with everyone. We recently had a cruise out of Port Everglades, which is in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We kind of wanted to share the hotel that we had for the night before our cruise, and kind of go over what was good and not so good about this hotel. I'm Travis, let's get wanderlost. The hotel we booked for this cruise was the AC Hotel Fort Lauderdale Airport, which is located about 3 miles from the airport and about 4 miles from Port Everglades. This hotel does offer free airport pickup and drop-off. All you have to do is call them after you get your bags, go out to the pickup area, and they'll pick you up and take you right to the hotel. It's free, which is always great. This hotel is located near the airport, as I said earlier, about 3 miles away, and it is actually connected to a Marriott hotel, so it shares some of the same amenities with that Marriott hotel, because AC Hotels is owned by Marriott. The check-in for this hotel is actually on the second floor. When we arrived at this hotel, when we were checking in, there was actually people waiting at the valet desk, which is down on the first floor, and they didn't realize they had to go up to the second floor to go to the check-in. So make sure you go to floor 2 when you're checking in. We booked this hotel on the Marriott Bonvoy app, and we were actually upgraded to a corner king room with a promenade view, which is actually one of their top tier rooms for this hotel. And the reason for the upgrade that we were given is because we were booking on the Bonvoy app. So make sure you do that if you would like a free upgrade. It's not guaranteed, but it does happen occasionally. In the lobby, there is a drink and snack area that you can actually purchase drinks and snacks. There's also some of your basic necessities like medicine and that sort of thing. It's located right next to the check-in desk. They do offer breakfast in the morning, but it is not included with the hotel room unless you purchase one of their packages. The breakfast was around $18 to $20 per person, and it was more of a buffet-style breakfast early in the morning. We would kind of recommend going down the street a little bit. There's actually a shopping center attached to the hotel complex, and there's a few places in there that serve breakfast. Try that. It might be a little bit cheaper unless you're just looking for the convenience. Or, like I said, you've booked a package that includes breakfast with your room. There is a bar on site, and they are open pretty late if you're looking for that sort of thing. During the day, the bar was actually quite busy from what we saw as well. There is an outdoor terrace area, which is kind of elevated above the parking lot area. It has the large chessboard, some interesting places to kind of sit and relax. It's basically just an outdoor relaxation place. Again, we saw people using this, probably more or less business people on a break that were having a conference or that sort of thing, but definitely kind of a cool little area that I wasn't really expecting when we booked the hotel. Now let's head upstairs. We're going to check out the fitness center area first. It's on floor 5, which is 3 up from the lobby area. As with most hotels inside metropolitan areas, you do have to show or tap your room key card in order to get anywhere but the lobby. So make sure you do that when you press the buttons. When you get off the elevator on floor 5, the pool and the fitness center are located right next to each other to the right. And again, these amenities are shared by the Marriott hotel that is actually connected to the AC hotel in the middle. So just know that Marriott guests will use both the fitness center and the pool. Now, the gym does have a ton of different machines and free weights and different exercise equipment that you can use. There is bottles of water, there's towels, there's all that sort of thing. Just about anything you would need when you're working out is available in this fitness center as well. So it's actually pretty good. Good size as well. Now let's head up to floor 8, which is where our room was. And like I said, we had a corner promenade view king room. And now one of the really cool things is the view of the Hard Rock Seminole Casino that is down in Hollywood, Florida. If you're in your room or in the hallway at night, you can actually see it light up and do their guitar show. So it's something to look forward to. Now this hotel room is an upgraded room. Like I said, it is a promenade view corner room, which is considered a premium room at this hotel. It has a couch which can convert into a bed and a king-size bed. It has a great view of the pool area and the central promenade between the Marriott Hotel and the AC Hotel. And why it is called a corner room is it actually gives you another window that faces Hollywood, Florida, so you can see the Hard Rock from the room as well, including all the shops that are down below in this little plaza area that these hotels are located in. There's plenty of outlets by the bed, and there's also plenty of outlets over by the desk, which is underneath the main television. We had no issues plugging in all of our devices and making sure they were charged. We even used one of our European outlets to give us a few more outlets to charge our camera and that sort of thing. The bed in this hotel room was actually very comfortable. It was super soft. We got a great night's rest after a full day of traveling and doing stuff around Fort Lauderdale. Even the pillows were comfortable, so you don't have to worry about that. Overall, a very comfortable experience inside this hotel room and a great night's rest right before our cruise. The bathroom is pretty standard. It has a barn door style door. Comes fully stocked with all your soaps and amenities and that sort of thing. The shower has a rainfall shower and a regular shower head, and the hot water was pretty good. Water pressure could be a little bit better, but it's a rainfall shower head, so it was kind of expected. You also get full body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in the shower as well. This room comes stocked with a coffee maker and a refrigerator. It also has some teas and coffees to make sure you can make your coffee. And there's an ice bucket to go get your ice from the hydration station down the hall. We stored some groceries and stuff in the fridge before our cruise, so we had snacks and stuff when we came back to the hotel room. As I said, there is a hydration station on each one of the floors, which is basically where you can get cups and glasses and filtered water and ice. Normally they have maybe some juices and stuff in this area, but it was mostly water and ice while we were here. Came in handy for the late at night drinks that we were having in our hotel room. I mentioned the pool earlier is on deck 5. It's next to the gym. It's shared by the Marriott Hotel. It is a resort-style pool. There was always people out here while we were checked into the hotel. Looked very comfortable and very refreshing. Since this is a cruise hotel, let me point out that they do not have an official cruise shuttle over to Port Everglades or the Port of Miami. It is through a third-party company, and it's $20 per person for round trip. While we were checking into the hotel, the check-in desk basically told us to rent an Uber. It would be cheaper. And they were right. It was less than $20 for the 4 of us to go from the hotel to Port Everglades, rather than $20 a person through the shuttle service. So we recommend Uber from the hotel to the actual port. And as a random bit of, I guess, trivia or whatever you want to call it, the Spirit Airlines headquarters is actually right next to the hotel. So take that for what you want. Now, the ultimate question is, would we stay here again and would we recommend it? Yes, we would stay here again. We do recommend it. We spent about $150 for the one night we stayed here. And we, like I said earlier, we were upgraded to a premium room. So there's probably some better hotels out there in the Port Everglades area, especially with some better transportation to Port Everglades. But overall, we were happy with this one night at the AC Hotel in Fort Lauderdale. So if you have any questions about this hotel, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoy these videos or our channel, please make sure you hit like and subscribe. It helps us out more than you realize. If you need me, I'll be up in the Windjammer. Again, thanks for watching.